Hey guys, welcome back to the Nerd Cave. Today I want to install this Viper dartboard laser line. The way you do it is you mount it under your dartboard, and then you adjust this and set the screws once you have the distance measured out. I'm going to go over what we need, and don't worry, I'll put a link in the description of where I bought this and how we're going to use it exactly, so you can see it. I'm gonna first go through what we need, and then I'll go through the process of putting it up. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna need. We're gonna need the dartboard laser line, the directions, can't go without the directions, a level, a drill, and a couple of screws. I also have a video of how we made this cedar backer for the dartboard. I'll probably put a link of that in the description. These are 3D printed dart holders that we put up, that we made on the 3D printer and put up. I think the cedar's been working pretty good. As you can see, the kids have already put a dart in one of them. It's rough sawn, it doesn't show the holes as much. I think it's going to work out good, and it actually kind of smells good. So let's start by doing what's first in the directions and getting our laser line mounted to the dart backer. Okay, we have the Viper laser line mounted to the bottom of the dartboard cabinet. It's level, it's secure. So next we're going to set up a tape and figure out our exact distance we need and see if we can get the line pointed. Okay guys, according to the directions, we need a line that is either 93¼ inches or 96 inches from the dartboard. I guess for steel tip darts, which is what we're using, it's 93¼ inches, so that's what we're going to go for. So what I've done is I've turned on, here's the switch, I've turned on the Viper laser line, and I've already kind of adjusted it for shooting a line on the floor. I use my drill to weigh down my tape measure, and then I have come out to about 102 to start with. So now I just need to adjust my line some more to get it down to the 93¼ So let's see if we can do that. I think we got it about right there. I think we're good. So we're going to leave it there. I'm going to have to secure that down a little bit better. It's still a little wobbly, which I didn't expect. Give me a second. I'll be right back. I'm going to troubleshoot that and tell you what we did. Okay guys, I found the problem. I needed to take my trusty screwdriver and just tighten down those screws. For some reason with the drill they were spinning, probably because of the way it's recessed in there, but it's now tight, doesn't move. So let's try that one more time. Turn the light on. I have my tape measure held down by the drill. and I go back and see where we're at, I am a little long, it looks like. Looks like we're at about 95.5, so let me see if I can get that adjusted. Now, I did read through some of the reviews online. People were a little bit perturbed by this thing because you have to adjust it a couple times over to get it right, and I'm going to say that they are probably right, since I seem to have to be adjusting this. But once we have it in, it may be hard to see since everything's black, but there's these tiny little screws right here. We just tighten those in, and you know, I'm sure the kids are going to bump it, and I'll update you, let you know how that works. But I now have it back, and I'm just above 94, so I need to come down a little more. Okay guys, I think I finally have it. 93.25. Let's tighten down those screws and see what it looks like. So I guess that is one more thing you're going to need is a screwdriver. So let me get that together. I'm going to try to be gentle so this doesn't move. And I'm going to go back and check it just a couple times. It did move. So yeah, this is what the reviews were complaining about. But you know what, with just a little patience, we'll get there. Yeah, that's the other thing. When you tighten it, it brings it down a little bit. So I think just going to have to be patient, unfortunately. Are done. I did fiddle with that quite a bit more, so it is going to take some patience. If you're really super into darts, let's say you're semi-professional, professional, this may not be the system for you, because I know that thing's going to get bumped, and I'm going to be messing with it quite a bit. Now, one thing I may do is I may end up putting a temporary line down here on the Nerd Cave floor, just so I have something to line it up with quicker. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna try it out and see. But yeah, it's kind of nice the way it just projects the line right on the floor. We'll see how this holds up with the end of the piece. It's like a little ball movement that needs tightening down. Maybe somebody else has some suggestions on how we can improve that or stabilize it. I guess you could glue it if you got it into place. I don't know. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll leave a link to where I bought this. But it takes 4 AA's. It also has input for a power adapter on the other side. But I think it's going to be good enough for us. Winter's coming. We're going to need to find some more indoor activities, and darts we all kind of enjoy. It's a little competition without running around getting crazy, so the kids, I think the kids will enjoy it. Alright, let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Check out my time lapses if you would. Those are free for any YouTubers. If you want to use them for transitions, you'll probably see some in this video. Thanks for watching.